Oh, this thing's like way over here. We'll head towards there and then see what we find along the way. Oh, we're very close to dead. I was just gonna get back on the ATV, but we flew about a mile off of the ATV, so that's cool. It's like a little path. I hope that's a river. That'd be really cool if that's a river. If that's just a road, that'd be kind of lame. We're going into deep woods here. I'm excited. Are you guys excited to go into the deep woods? I'm still hiccuping, don't you worry. Maybe we'll get scared at nighttime. It's a very scary flashlight. Very horror-esque. So, we'll see. Maybe we'll find some sleeping deer and shoot them in the head. No. I don't know if you can find sleeping animals in this game. No idea. This is basically Dark Souls, yeah. I like how fuzzy my sleeve is and my gloves. Oh, Neppy's on his way. It's too bad you can't have multiple people on one ATV. Well, I just like that you can see the lights spazzing around as he comes down. There he is. Oh, like, can I, like, jump on it? Oh, alright, go. No, it doesn't work. I can't get on your Momo cycle, so I don't know why I call it a Momo cycle. I've done that for a while, and I don't know where I got it from. Like years. Where's the moon? What time is it? It is. Hold on. It is 12 19. 12 minus 19 is 7 p.m. No? Yeah. No. Yeah? No. 7 p.m.? I have 50 cal muzzle loader. Trying to find Sasquatch is what Neppy says. We use our phone's flashlight out to navigate through the woods. I like that it's snowing. It's a nice touch. No, it's 7. It's definitely 7. Going for a mile. -7. Well, yeah. With math. No, but the time would be 7 o'clock. I'm still hiccuping. I think you can sprint backwards in this game. Oh yeah. How about you? I can move pretty fast backwards. Kind of the backwards sprinting champion. In real life. I just got cut off by my hiccups. For 7 hours in the past. This is what happened last night. This is where I was. I was outside because it's totally winter in the US right now. On the northern hemisphere. I don't think we'll find any animals here. Maybe we will though. I'm very low HP. So if anything brushes against me the wrong way, I'm dead. This is a good flashlight effect though. I like how it hits the environment. Especially when you look up like that. I mean, I'm sure it's not hard to do in this day and age, but it still looks nice. It's chasing me. He won't stop chasing it. He's got a gun. Oh wait, I have one too. If a leaf brushes off you, dead. Yeah. Trip over a shoelace, dead. Step a little weird. Step on a little 45-degree angle or more. Dead. Hiccup, dead. Went too strong, dead. Like the Parks and Rec guy. He's from whatever country. Straight to jail. You're too early for a dentist appointment? Straight to jail. Too late? Straight to jail. Right to jail. Teeth too clean? Believe it or not, straight to jail. Yeah, and Neppy's saying straight to jail in chat. You can't really see it because I'm covering it up, but believe me, he said it. It's a lynx. A lynx warning. Oh! You see it? You see it, boy? I have to reload it. It's like a bear. Where's the bear? Do we kill it? We hit it. There's a lynx down here too. Oh. You get a boy? Can't tell where he's looking. Just maybe he's just shooting the gun at random. He said bear, but I don't know about that. I don't know that the flashlight does anything. Like affects anything. Oh, I'm stuck on a stump. Like it's getting brighter rather than darker, but maybe that's just me. Snowflake touches you, dead. Yeah, pretty much anything that isn't ordinary will kill me. What was that? Examine track. Right. At night, the tracks only appear if you have a flashlight on. I forgot about that. See, they go away and then they're whoop, 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 whoop. I don't know where Neppy went. There he is. They're jogging away. That's a bear. That right there is a bear. Let's go find this bear. He's off to the northwest. Because, like, we're basically north, but it's a little bit to the west. I'm just a bear. Yeah, I hear it. I don't see one, though. Do you see one? Oh, he sees one, too. We're surrounded. Turn off names and play hide and seek. I don't know if we can turn off names. I'll look, but if a bear attacks me, I'm gonna lose my hiccups. And I'm gonna lose my mind, too. Display. Game. Hide hunting HUD. Multiplayer name tags. Off. Oh, he just killed a brown bear. I don't know where he is. I don't know where he is. That would be really hard to play hide and seek. There's a bear over here. I want a bear of my own. We'll kill it with a bow.